Hey guys, welcome back to the Cobblegin Building School. Last session you guys learned about shape, but today we're going to be touching down the basics of structure. And what I got set up here is a step-by-step building process that will take you through each part. Okay, let's get started. All I've done here is just a recap of what you guys learned last lesson. And if you haven't watched that video yet, do it now. Otherwise you'll have no idea why this shape looks so funky. And once you get your shape down, then you can start on the next part. Now what I did here was place pillars in each corner, at least 4 blocks tall. Any lower and it's going to feel cramped like a sardine can. After that, I added beams connecting each pillar to one another. And if you look over here, the build kind of curves. So instead of making my beam straight, I placed a beam in the middle of the curve and placed the beam horizontal, adjacent to the wall, so it mirrors it. Once you finish your first floor, you can either skip to part 6 or add another floor using the following steps. Now what I did here was find the largest imaginary square I could find and use that as my second floor plan. But like the first floor, you don't want your second floor to be just square. You also don't want it to be identical to the first floor. So I added a small square here. And once you're done with that, you can move on to step 4. What I did here was basically the same as step 2, except this time I'm using step 3 instead of wool. Now I know what you're thinking, you went outside your floor plan, but that's okay. The floor plan is nothing more than a visual aid and will be destroyed in the next step, which is what I did here. I took out any beams that are in the middle of the polygon and placed my floor. Now here's where it gets complicated. I walled up my frame and added some blue glass to the curve area. I also created the frame for my roof. Now this frame is just as important as the structure frame, as this gives it more shape. What I also did was build the structure frame into the roof frame, using logs in this triangle pattern. And after doing all this, your house is almost complete. You just need to finish the roof and add some small details. Now I made this mistake of making my back roof frame 1 block wider than my front roof frame, but this can easily be remedied by using the back roof frame curve in a little bit. After I finished my roof, I added a couple more windows, some doors, a bunch of fence posts, and I also added a custom fountain in the back. And yes, that statue doesn't exactly exist in Minecraft. I just edited in video, but it does look really cool. So that's going to be it for this lesson. And remember, if you're at the top of the class at the end of the 2 lessons of this month, then you will have the chance to join our build team. We hope to see you there. Good luck.